I'm going to show you how I put together a really nice little foil pack, but I'm doing this in my cast iron pan. And I'm going to use sausage and vegetables. So this is going to be kind of like a healthy dish, so to speak. Anyway, so with that, I've got my peppers, and I'm just going to slice these and throw them in my bowl here. Okay, those are sliced up. Now I'm just gonna slice up my onion. Let's see. I'm just gonna leave it sliced just like that, big chunks. I got a little more here. Okay, all going in my bowl. You can see over here my bowl. Slide that a little closer. Okay, now put the potatoes in there. Just chunk them. That's all I do. Nice sized chunks. I'm just going to leave this one whole. Okay. One more potato. And I didn't peel them. I just scrubbed them really good. I leave the peels on. Okay, now with that, you see all that I got in there. Now I always put a little stir-fried veggies in here, because it just makes it good. So I got all of those veggies in there. Okay, I'm going to drizzle this with a little bit of olive oil. Probably winds up being about a good tablespoon of olive oil. Okay. I'm going to hit it with some salt. And pepper. And that's all I'm putting in this. Okay. So I'm going to give these a nice little toss just to coat them all. Well, that one went down between my stove and landed on my foot. Okay, so with these here, let me slide this aside so you can see my pan. Actually, I'll just move this down here. I'm just going to dump all these right in the pan, just like so. Okay, now I got my sausage over here, and I'm just going to chunk this in chunks. So I cut it, and I'm just going to lay that around in there. Just nice big chunks. Lay it around in there. I got a few people coming for dinner, and I think this is going to be a nice little dinner. So, okay, I'm going to fold that up. Those are going to go down in there, just like so. I'm going to get another piece of Reynolds wrap, and I'm just going to cover it up, just like so. And this is going to go in my oven at 350 degrees, and I'm going to let this bake for about 45 minutes. And then when that's done, I'll bring it back and I'll show you how nice that turns out. Okay, friends, let me take this out of my oven. This is done. This is a nice family size foil pack. Ooh, look at there. Does that ever look good? Oh my gosh, how wonderful is that? Okay, let me grab a plate. And this is going to be gorgeous. Put a couple of them up there. I also got salad to serve with this too, so I got to save a little room on the plate for some salad. But take a look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Perfect. And that's healthy. It's a healthier version. And it's budget friendly. And it's delicious. So there you have it, friends. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.